called you up, you hit me with the nonchalant thing. I don't even think you want me, but I could love you more.
Hey my honey dogs, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I went ahead and did a flat twist out, but I put some twisties in the front to act as like a headband because I don't know about you guys, when I go to the gym I really hate to have my hair dangling in my face. So because I'm going to the gym and whatever else, like I just don't want my hair dangling in my face. So I was like, oh, I'll just put like a cute little flat twist here, flat twist there, and then just do like a twist out in the back. So that's what I did. Let me give you guys a 360 of my hair. Last night I just shampooed and deep conditioned my hair, and then I went right ahead into styling my hair. That's what this is here. Nothing too crazy. I just wanted to bring you guys a quick hair tutorial. It's very easy. I mean, I think it is. 2-strand twist can be like kind of tricky. With practice, it's like it's not that hard. It's kind of wham bam, thank you ma'am. Getting ready to actually go to the gym and just have a day for myself and all that good stuff. So I will be vlogging that as well. But I hope you guys enjoy this hair tutorial. I know you guys say you like to watch my hair videos, so I'm going to try to push them out when I can. I'm already like thinking of like a protective style that I want to do. I've had my natural hair out during this work week and I was late one day because my hair would not get together when I was getting ready for work. So that's why I like to wear protective styles, because I don't got time for the shenanigans. But I don't know what I want to do. I don't know. If I had a lace closure wig, that would be nice. But I don't have a lace closure wig. I only have lace fronts. And I really don't like wearing lace fronts as much as I used to. But if you guys want to know how I achieved this cute, simple, easy hairstyle, just keep on watching.
Alright guys, so first of all, this was filmed in like mid-October, so I'm very late getting this up. And I say that to say that this is before I establish my new hair care routine, so that's why I was taking my microfiber towel off. I don't do that anymore, and I don't recommend it's done if you have low porosity hair. So I apply my leave-in conditioner from Camille Rose. That's my favorite leave-in conditioner. And then I went ahead and used my Eden Body Works coconut curl defining cream for my styler. I went ahead and just applied it to my section and then detangling. And I'm just gonna make sure that I rub that into my hair really well, because as you can see in this clip, it's still sitting on my hair. So I wanted to go ahead and make sure I rubbed it in really good. So after I applied the product, I went ahead and start doing a flat twist. I prefer a flat twist over 3-strand twist outs because the flat twist gives your hair definition literally from the root to the tip. So I do a 2-strand twist, and then when I get down to the end of the twist, I separate it into 3-strand twists. You can keep it at a 2-strand twist, but if you can do a 3-strand twist like cake, I recommend you do it this way because, again, more definition. So I went ahead and just did the flat twist all over my head, and I always have to make sure I'm constantly detangling the hair because it just gets tangled so easily. Like I know that I'm going on a tangent right now, but I know how, like, when I watch like natural hair care like videos, people are doing a lot of detangling prior to their stylers, and I'm just like, I feel like I would be detangling all day, you know what I mean? Because I'm like, even when I detangle like I think I am, it's not enough, because even when I start to twist my hair, it's still tangled. Does that make sense? I don't know. I feel like anyway, it's late at night. Don't listen to me. So I'm just going to repeat this process throughout the remaining parts of my head. So one thing I decided to do, because my edges are kind of like broken off a little bit, I was like, I think it'd be best if I do like a flat twist going from ear to ear. And then this also allows me to wear like my headphones, my Dre Beats headphones when I go to the gym, because I don't like to put my headphones on top of my fro. So I'm saving that part for last. So I'm going to continue to do the flat twist throughout the remaining portions of my head. And I did a zigzag part at the top of my head because I don't like a straight middle part on my hair. I prefer a zigzag. Don't ask me why, I just do. So once I've completed all the flat twists on my head, I'm going to go ahead and use my mousse to go ahead and do the flat twist in the front. I don't know any particular reason why I did it this way. I just feel like the mousse is so gentle and moisturizing on my head. So I'm just going to do a flat twist on the front on both sides, but these will not be coming down in the morning. I'm going to keep it twisted, hence the title of the video being a flat twist crown. Maybe it shouldn't be called, did I call this flat twist crown? Maybe it should be called flat twist headband? Baby, I don't know. I probably shouldn't be doing voiceovers at 10 o'clock at night, but here we are.
Quiesha on the track. You're my baby, my lover, my lady. All night you make me want you, it drives me crazy.
So this is the next morning, and I am a little nervous. I'm always nervous the next morning, and I don't use this oil anymore either. It's a concoction. It's like Jamaican black castor oil. It was the Camille Rose, or it's the Miel rosemary oil. I don't use that oil anymore. It's too heavy for this type of the need. I need like a essential oil, a very lightweight oil. The Melanin Hair Care multi-use oil is such a better oil to use to like unravel your twist. So but yeah, that's what I had at the time. So I'm going to go ahead and just make sure to separate where you see the part. So if it's like naturally parting in the twist, go ahead and separate there to, you know, cause less frizz. And I always do this. It's optional to stretch my roots. It just makes my hair more bouncy and fluffy.
The whole time on my mind is how much I'm gonna get to make you feel so good, like you know I could. Tell me if you feel the same way.
So once I'm all done, I shake my hair. It's like a last ditch effort because I just love to do that. And I'm going to pick at the roots with my natural hair comb. And that is the finished look, you guys. It's very simple, very easy. I really like wearing the crown or the little twist in the front. It just gives it a little bit more character. So I finish off by using the Dew little mist to go ahead and make sure my hair is all nice and shiny and pretty. But I'll be back in just a short few minutes or seconds to go ahead and finish out this video. Thanks for watching.
All right, you guys, so that is all that I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm actually about to head out to the gym and, you know, get these gains, you feel me? Even though that's not even my intention. I'm not even trying to build muscle. I'm really just trying to lose weight but stay toned. So, girl, yeah, but I'm about to give me some pho today. I'm so excited. I'm going to the gym right now, and I'm going to go to the car wash because my car reeks of vinegar, if you've been watching my vlog. And I'm going to go to the car wash. I'm going to get me a smoothie, and then I'm going to come home, shower, get dressed, and go get me some pho. And I think that's really all I'm doing today. Just a me day. You feel me? So... But if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. A link to all the products that I use for my hair will be in the description box below for you to check that out. That's all that I have for you guys today. Yeah. So I will see you guys all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. So until then, peace. 2 fingers.
Wondering what's on your mind. If you like the simple type, I ain't stupid, dumb or blind. Won't sleepy, a bed of last. Heard you met her in the club, trying to tell me you were drunk. I can still smell perfume, nigga.